see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Hi guys! Today is Friday, May 24, and yung mga boys, kaalis lang nila kanina papuntang Adelaide para sa golf lesson nila for tomorrow, and ako, ayan, nag-i-edit ako. And then, mayroon akong naisip kasi hindi pa namin magawa-gawa yung Tokyo treats kasi sobrang busy ng boys. Sabi ko, si Holly na lang yung paggagawan ko ng challenge. And ang challenge niya ay, eto, tingnan nyo guys. Andun siya sa kwarto, na-set up ko na yung table, naglalaro na siya doon, tingnan nyo. So, eto guys, yung challenge ko kay Holly. Sasabihin ko sa kanya na hindi niya to kakainin hanggat hindi ko sinasabi. So, titingnan natin kung kaya niya yun. And meron din akong Yakult dito kasi favorite niya yung Yakult. So, ang gagawin ko, iiwan ko kayo doon and then ako, tatapusin ko tong ginagawa ko dito. And kayo ang magiging mga mata ko sa kanya, ha? So, good luck. I-set up ko muna kayo doon. Hi, Baba!
Hi, say hi.
Say hi! Are you ready?
Yes.
What we gonna do?
Mine.
Mine? What? Okay, wait. Habang siniset up ko kayo, ayan. Yan na yung ginagawa niya.
Hi guys. Like this is maybe here and then
Okay. You talk to people, okay? Mommy, we're just gonna get something, okay?
my broccoli.
Your what?
My broccoli.
Broccoli? Pinapahanap niya kasi sa akin yung broccoli. Hindi ko mahanap yung broccoli. This is asparagus, Baba. So, ayan. Meron siya ditong,
Flowers.
luto-lutuan. And then, meron siya dito yung
Don't
teapot.
touch it. It's way hot.
Oh, sorry. Really, really hot. So, sige.
Just blow it.
Oh, blow it. Okay. Can you talk to people while Mommy is gone, okay?
Hi people with cooking.
Okay. You're cooking, okay? You talk to people. Wait lang. Itaas ko kayo para alam niyang re-record ko siya. Okay?
Hi guys. It's like this cooking. And this are pretty with this cookie, and plus this food is like just there, and then this is cookie, but this one is not bitey, and then this one is wiggle. Say hi. Oh.
Okay? Be good. Okay?
Say this one. Say baby. And then this one on the other side.
I'm coming, Baba. Peekaboo.
Oh my god!
Huh?
My favorite.
I know, it's your favorite, but you're not allowed to.
What's that?
This is, eto yung parang stick o sa atin. Okay, you're not allowed to eat, touch or eat this one, okay? Okay? Pagod siya yan. Okay, Baba? Oh, this is the challenge. The challenge is not to touch or not to eat this one, okay? Okay, is that alright? Mommy just gonna work, and then when Mommy finish my work, I come here and then we're gonna eat this together, okay? 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 Be good. Yeah? Huh? And then later you're gonna eat this, okay? Okay? Is that alright? You eat all of this. Alright? High five? What you're gonna do is to toss it.
Slide.
Oh, slide. Knuckles. So swimming.
Shake.
Shake. Shake. Okay. Shake. Okay? Don't touch this, okay?
Slide. Knuckles.
Knuckles. Shake. Okay? You play with Jemima. Where's Jemima? Okay. Don't touch this. You can cook now, Baba. Yes? You cook something for Mommy? Huh? You cook something for mommy? Okay? Alright? So you don't touch this, okay? Okay, Baba? You play with this one. Don't eat. Okay? Oh, what happened? Say hi, people.
People.
Okay. Tell them where's Kuya and Daddy.
Nadel.
Huh?
Nine.
Where are they?
Nalai.
Adelaide. Okay.
And Beethoven.
Oh, play golf. Okay. Okay, see you. Can you, I want egg, please. I'm gonna work there
Yeah?
and you cook mommy eggs. Okay?
Don't not eat it.
Yeah. People, don't eat this. Tell them. Don't touch mommy's lollies. Tell them. Okay? And don't touch these. Okay? Okay, you just watch it for mommy. Okay? Shh, don't eat my choco. Okay? Baby, don't eat, huh? Ate Holly, huh? Don't eat, huh? Oh. You watch my lollies, okay? Smell lang. Smell. You can smell, but you're not allowed to eat. Oh, Jemima? Ang tawag, hindi naman ito si Jemima. Smell. Okay. It's just smell or don't. Okay, just smell, okay? Cook for mama. Ah, sorry. Okay, guys, iwan ko na si Holly sa inyo, ha?
So, Mama.
Kayang magiging mga mata ko sa kanya. Okay. Cook for mommy, okay, Papa?
Pussy. Yes. My face on. Tutorials, 10 more dollars. What this one? Tank. This one, tank. Teacher, tank. ho. Humby, humby, ho. Humby, humby, ho. Jemima, 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 hey, hello. Jemima, hi. She's fat, she's not loud in the hill. My voice is there, she washing. And this one is a yuck, you wash it. My dad, what's happening? Attack 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4, 8, 9, 7. This one. Blue bottom.
you okay? Parang ang tagal mo na dyan. Hi! Hi guys! I'm back. Hindi ko naurasan.
Mom,
Ha?
eat.
Did you touch it? I told you not to touch. Kumain ba siya? Kasi nagalaw niya, guys. Oh, nagalaw niya. Eto na. Don't cry. It's alright. It's alright. But why are you crying? It's para naman sumaan. Why are you crying, Baba? Did you miss Mommy? Did you miss Mommy? Did you miss Mommy? I'm sorry, Baba. You miss Mommy? Did you talk to them? Did you talk to them? Oh. Kumain ba siya? Naiyak na siya. Na-miss niya siguro ako. It's alright. Do you wanna eat it? Do you wanna eat it? Kinain niya ba? Kasi nagalaw niya. Pero buo pa naman eto. Buo pa yung M&M. Okay, don't cry, Baba. Don't cry. Don't cry. Did Emma eat it? No. Did you eat it? It's alright. You tell Mommy. It's alright. Mommy's not gonna be upset. Did you eat some? Did you try? Kumain ba siya? Malalaman ko to pa nag-edit na ako kung kumain ka. Kasi nagalaw yung nagalaw yung favorite kong locker na yung may coconut, yung white coconut, and yung M&M nagalaw. Pero etong si candy cane, tsaka si stick ko, hindi. Okay, Baba, you want some? You're funny. Matagal siya dito. I think more than 20 minutes. Okay. Did you eat the M&M?
Oh, no.
Did you eat that when Mommy was in the kitchen? Yummy?
Okay?
No, thank you. Inaalok niya ako. Is it yummy?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Baby.
Now you share, baby. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say please lang.
This like.
Are you happy now? Are you sharing with your babies? Okay. So yun na guys yung ating challenge kay Holly. So malalaman ko kung kumain siya ng M&M's kasi nagalaw siya. Ay, kari ba papa? So yan. See you guys. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say please like. Please subscribe if you haven't yet.
See ya.
See you on my next vlog. Say see ya. Are you happy now? Okay. Oh, happy na siya guys. Umiyak siya kanina yung nakita niya. Kasi ang tagal-tagal naman kasi ni Mommy.
Where's Mom? Can you say? Hi guys, this is Shadenpo. Hi guys. Hi guys, this is Shadenpo.
Janice Dalicon. Lourdes Villa. Jean and Arnel Abueva. Cherry De Jesus. Janice Dilucon. Isabel Jamaline. Kayan Enriquez. Eden Salado.
Thank you guys. Don't forget to write hashtag ChonaAndMyKids.
Honey.
Paradise, tell me who you seek.